Hello and welcome, this is episode 10 of 1 minute shooting ideas for every tiny home studio. Today is going to be wet, because we will freeze the water. So best idea? Take a shower. Let's jump right into it. As a key light I go with one of my Strobes with a softbox. Be sure to set the flash duration as short as possible to freeze the water. In my case I set it to 128th of a second. I want to give the picture kind of an outdoor look. That's why I put this wooden thing to my reflector and place it behind me. My remote is set to about 70 pictures because I don't want to flood the bathroom by getting in and out all the time. Decide for an outfit and let's go! Oh, this is your frozen splash shot.